Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of fishing in this pond over here. It's fairly big actually. I've never fished here before, so I don't have any idea what's in this thing. I've seen a couple largemouth up at the banks and stuff. I don't really know how big they are, but there could be some good sized ones in here, or they could all be 2-pounders. I have no idea, but guess we're going to find out. I'm going to be using a wacky rigged stick bait today, I think. I've had a lot of success with that at other places, so I hope we catch some fish, and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes when I'm all rigged up. Oh man, there's one on. Oh yeah, got him. I didn't even realize it. Line normally goes out when there's one on. But oh, what? I hope you guys saw that. That was insane. I don't even know how big this guy is yet. He seems pretty good size. Oh, he's huge. Guys, this thing is a monster. What? Oh. What? This is insane. Guys, I hope you can see this. He might not look that big on the GoPro. This guy is just absolute monster. What the heck? Look at that, guys. That is a huge largemouth. Huge. This might be my PB. I'm gonna have to get a weight on him. He didn't quite saw the hook, but I'm definitely gonna have to tear it out of him. Okay. Now for a weight measurement, now that I got the hook out. 1.51. Wow. 1.5 pounder. Not bad. Oh man, let's get a release on this guy. Heck, I tore my finger up. Ouch. Man, first fish. I think that was my PB, but I'm not sure. There's one I caught a while ago. If you viewed my Google Plus, you would have seen it. But basically, I caught one, and it was huge. And I did not have my scale at the time, though, so I didn't know what he weighed, but it was a big one for sure. Oh, one's on. He's on. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Oh, yeah. Finally, another fish. Oh. He's not very big, I don't think. Nope. Not huge. Oh, he broke me off. You kidding me right now? No way. Oh, man. Got me into the rocks. Then I broke off. Oh, that stinks. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's on. Oh! Hooked up. Man, this guy's big. He's a fatty. Oh. Okay, put up a fight. Man, I'm always gut hooking them. Jeez, I let them eat it too long, I think. But another quality largemouth. Might weigh this guy too, just to see. Let's get this guy unhooked. A couple pliers. These helps. Okay. There we go, hooks out. Give you a quick little, there's the fish. He's actually a nice one. But, yeah, he's a big one. Let's weigh him quick. Oh, wow, he's bigger. 1.6. So, even bigger than the last one. This is definitely my PB, I believe. So, yeah. So, there's my PB. Oh boy. This one's pulling out line. I think he's on. Not sure. Oh yeah, there he goes. Oh no, don't jump. Oh boy, this one's really small though. He is very, very small. He's a baby. What the heck, man? You're catching these monsters and then you hit this little thing. You probably sprayed the lens with water. Hang on. It's a largemouth, but it's not what I'm looking for. Bye, little buddy. Fish on. Fish on. Oh boy. Biggin. Biggin. Well. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh man. I want to get this guy in so bad. Come on. What the? I snagged a... Guys, I snagged this. This is a monster bluegill. What the heck? This thing is huge. I literally just snagged it right through the bottom. No wonder it was fighting weird. How did that even happen? The guy is giant. Hang on. And I gotta rip this out with pliers. This guy might be my PB bluegill. I'm gonna have to get a measurement on him. There we go. Hook is out. Let's get the tape here. Just held together. It's 9 inches. It's a big bluegill, that's for sure. Look at that, guys. That's a big bluegill. Wow, it took me about 3 hours to catch another fish, and finally got this guy. So let's get a release on him, and I hope he survives because I gut hooked him. I think he will, but let's set him free. Okay, come on, buddy. Okay. I need deeper water. There we go. Oh, guys, I literally just fell in the water. That was crazy. What in the world? Standing a little too close, I guess. Jeez. Wow. That water's actually pretty cold. I thought my GoPro was done for, but I guess not. Well, guys, as you saw, I fell in and shook me up a little bit, but I haven't caught too many fish this video, so I'm just gonna try to catch a couple more, and then I think we can end the video. But anyways, let's try to catch a couple more bass. Oh, we got a fish. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. He's a tiny one then. What the? How did this guy even bite? We're just getting bluegills today. This is crazy. This is a pumpkin seed, I think, actually. But it doesn't really matter. Man, what's up with that? I'm fishing a Senko. Can't believe they're biting it. Check that out. Smallest one of the trip so far. Buddy, you're going back. Oh, guys, I got a fish. Oh, this is a bass, I think. Well, it's fighting kind of weird. Yeah. Oh, man, it just came off. And apparently it stole everything. Well, that kind of stinks. Thought I had him. Well, guys, it looks like I'm completely out of tackle after that. So I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and quick announcement here. I'm changing up the daily shoutout a little bit. I haven't been getting a lot of subscribers lately, but I still want to keep the daily shoutout going, so I'm changing it up a little bit. Now, if you leave a nice comment or subscribe, then you get a daily shoutout. So today's daily shoutout goes to Kara D. Kara, you left me a comment asking if I could follow you on Instagram. I'm sorry, but I don't have Instagram. But thanks for the comment anyways. And I think that's going to end this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I will see you guys next time.